Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Grasshopper phone for your small business, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Visit the official Grasshopper website and click on Get Started, or sign up to explore plans and begin registration. Step 2. Select a pricing plan that fits your business needs. Grasshopper offers different tiers based on the number of phone numbers and extensions required. Step 3. Choose your business phone number. You can get a new local number, toll-free number, or vanity number. Alternatively, you can port your existing business number. Step 4. Enter your business information, including company name, industry, and business address. This information helps customize your phone system. Step 5. Create your Grasshopper account by providing your email address and creating a secure password for account access. Step 6. Enter your billing information, including credit card details or payment method. Review the monthly charges and any setup fees. Step 7. Complete the registration process and access your Grasshopper dashboard, where you can configure call routing, voicemail greetings, and business hours. Step 8. Download the Grasshopper mobile app on your smartphone to make and receive business calls from anywhere. Set up extensions for team members, record professional greetings, configure call forwarding rules, and customize your virtual phone system. Test the system by making test calls to ensure everything works properly before launching your business line. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.